I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and happy May the 4th. Each year, Darren and I host a challenge sent out to all the YouTube channels that we would like to see your Star Wars or anything space in a video. This year we have another game. We did this last year a little different. And for this game, this little DIY Gorgu is a prize. Now here are the rules, and you might want to grab a pencil. You have to be a subscriber to 2 channels. My channel and the channel I'm going to talk about in just a minute. You also have to like both videos and leave a comment on both videos. You have to find the dolls. One doll in this mix matches someone else's just like it. The game is to find the channel that has the matching doll. And what you do when you find that channel is, in their comments, use the phrase, "May the Force," and hide it in a sentence, and then come back to my channel and say, "I found it." Do not write down what the doll is, which matching doll. Do not write that down. What we'll do is, for all the winners, and if your name is chosen, we will ask you, what doll was it? And then we will send out this adorable 3D printed Gorgu for you to paint and glue any way you want. Darren, how long was the print time on that again? Do you remember?
I think it's about 30 hours total.
30 hours to print that. But that's not all. We really appreciate everyone who joins in on our collabs and challenges. It just really makes me happy. It makes it fun. We get to know one another. So this little Mellenium Falcon that my new Logan is holding in his new little outfit that I made the next day after I got him so he could be in this video. This little Mellenium Falcon that Darren printed last night, how many hours?
It was 10 hours.
10 hours, and you will have to do a little bit of filing and such to it and DIY it. These are DIYs, and that is going to go out to active subscriber on my channel. That is, you are a subscriber, you leave likes, and you leave comments, that is participating today in the May the 4th Star Wars Challenge. Leave a note in my comment section that you have a video today. We're using the hashtag May the 4th Star Wars, but I want to make sure I see every single channel that shows their Star Wars collection or even one item or anything space today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for participating. We try to make it fun with a little game. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Happy hunting!